Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a very simple protective hairstyle for kids. I know some of you will disagree because I'm gonna be using rubber band. So yeah, I'm first of all gonna apply oil to her scalp and moisturizer to help with the tangling. And I'm gonna massage everything right into her hair gently. So right now I'm applying gel on her edges and I'm gonna brush to make it smooth. So the gel I'm using is Eco Styling Gel, the olive oil one. I forgot to show you guys. So the brush I'm using is hard brush. I got it from a working shop in my city. Some of you have asked where to buy the brush, but I can't really tell because I went back to the shop. I couldn't even find it anymore. So I'm making a pattern starting from the back, just like so guys, and I'm gonna brush again to make it smoother, and I'll secure with this hairband. So back to the front now, I'm gonna start styling with a rubber band. So I'll be leaving the link to buy this rubber band from Amazon if you want to buy the type of rubber band I use. They are quite strong. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for you to check it out on Amazon. Guys, thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers. I really appreciate your love and support. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Do wait to like the video and share to people you think that will like it as well, people it will be of use to. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave you to keep watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop it in the comments. I will be answering your questions later.